So the fact that 4-post is in a climatic chamber is an advantage of ACE, especially with new technologies and new materials. The climatic side is very important. Typically the vehicle sits on the 4 actuators. The actuators are movable to account for wheelbase and track width adjustments. We can also independently run the actuators. We have done motorcycles, we've done single posts at a time. It is adjustable for any of those type of purposes. It's a very versatile room. We can fit large to small. We have small cars like an SAE car on there. We've had large vehicles like pickup trucks or ambulances. You can replicate most road conditions that you're going to see in a typical vehicle, from squeak and rattle to twists to very severe rough roads to potholes. We can also simulate shock testing if we're doing a single actuator. Typically on a vehicle, clients are looking at durability, they're looking at squeak and rattle, they're looking at proving out some part changes or trying to eliminate some annoying noises that they're hearing in a new vehicle. Obviously, automotive has been a big customer for us. Also, we've done military, first respond, simulated driving in an ambulance so that first responders can understand how different it is working on a patient in a moving vehicle, going over bumps and turns, as opposed to sitting in a classroom on a table. Each post is a 12,000 pound actuator, so it can impart 12,000 pounds of force at a fully loaded condition, which would be a 12,000 pound vehicle. It can impart 19.5 Gs of acceleration. That's more severe than any pothole you're going to see on the road. It also has a stroke of plus or minus 150 millimeters, so up and down plus or minus 6 inches of travel. The 4-post is a climate chamber capable of minus 40 to plus 60 degrees Celsius, as well as full humidity control. So it is quite easy to pair simulating road inputs and Belgian blocks or squeak and rattle with temperature inputs and humidity inputs, which can play a big factor in longevity of parts as well as squeak and rattle issues in the vehicle. It's important for clients to prepare for the testing by troubleshooting their vehicle before it comes here, and also understanding the priorities of their testing, know what they want to get out of their testing.